Good morning, students. So in our today's English class, we are going to deal with a very common topic that you have came across in your school days as well, which you have considered as very easy. So that is this determiner. So today in our class, we are going to, if you know already, then you are going to review your memory about determiners, the proper use of determiners. So I have written some sentences, so you have to catch the little difference between these sentences. So I am here writing, give me a book. When I will ask you, give me a book, then you will give me any book that is available in your in front of you or available in the bookshelf, or you can give any books that is in the globe. So যেতিয়া মই তোমাক কম যে মোক এখন কিতাপ দিয়া বুলি, তেতিয়াহলে তুমি যিকোনো এখন কিতাপ দি দিবা, কাৰণ মই ইয়াত কোৱা নাই যে তোমাক মোক এখনে কিতাপ লাগে বুলি, হেতু কোৱা নাই। মই কৈছো যে মোক এখন কিতাপ দিয়া, তো তুমি যিকোনো এখন কলা বগা সৰু ডাঙৰ যিকোনো এখন কিতাপ দি দিবা। নেক্সট সেন্টেন্সটো লিখিলো, give me the red book. Now I am pointing out the red book that is in the top of the table. So I am here using the definite determiner. I am here specifically mention the book that is red in color. That is why I am using the instead of a. Here I am using a, here I am using the. So in the second sentence likewise, I am writing, a girl is asking for you. A girl. So you don't know the girl. A girl outside is asking for you. That could be anyone, your friend, your sister. So that could be anyone. That is, a girl is asking for you. We know that much only. So in the second sentence, I am writing, the girl wearing red top is asking for you. Now in the second sentence, I have specifically mentioned that the girl is now outside. There are many girls, a lot of girls wearing blue, red, black and white, wearing every color. So, but you don't have to pay attention to any of them. You will have to focus on the girl wearing red top. So here, ইয়াত কৈছো যে এজনী ছোৱালীয়ে তোমাক বিচাৰিছে, পিছত কৈছো যে এজনী ছোৱালীয়ে যোনজনী ছোৱালীয়ে ৰঙা টপ পিন্ধি আছে সেইজনীয়ে তোমাক বিচাৰিছে। তেতিয়াহলে ইয়াত আমি কি কৰিছো, স্পেসিফিক কৰিছো, ইয়াত জেনাৰেল কে ৰাখিছো। তাৰ মানে আমি ইয়াৰ পৰা এটা কথা বুজিলো, এটা টাইপস অফ এটা কনক্লুজনলৈ আহিলো। that is, from these two simple example we will let you know, we come to a conclusion that determiners are two types, that are definite and indefinite. So from that small example, we came to the types of the determiners. From the types, we got to know that a, n are indefinite determiners. The is definite determiners. Likewise, these three are article, right? These three are article. Likewise, we have numerous other determiners which we will divide it into two categories. Now we have not much indefinite determiner or definite determiner. More of our determiners are indefinite. So like some, any, few, little, every, much, many. These all are indefinite determiners. Here we will not have specific things that we can point it out. Like if I say some mane ki ketaman, little mane olop boli kole ki hoy, olop jikono olop hobo pare, kintu iyak to ma specifically koa nai je etu red, white, black egitai olop koisu, বুজি পাইছা ন? হেতু অলপ বুলি কলে কি কৈছে, হেতু indefinite determiners হৈ গৈছে আৰু আমি ইয়াত স্পেসিফিক মেনশন কাকো কৰা নাই। Da to definite determiner teneke kisuman ase one, I think first. So some of the rare determiners are definite determiners. Now we will deal with, now I am not going to the use of a and the. If someone want to learn, then we will discuss it in the classroom. That for now I assume that you already know the use of a and the. That is, a, we use a in front of an consonant, in front of a consonant, sorry. We use n in front of vowel and vowel sounds. And the we use to like definite, in definite sense we use to point things out. If we have to point things out, then we use the. Then if there is so there is a superlative, then we use the in front of them. And then any other uses come in the category of the. So I am not going into this part, okay. I have already assumed that you already know the use of a and the. So coming back to the indefinite pronoun, we are first taking the use of few and little. So what is the difference between them? What is the similarity between them? So few and little stands for nothing. Like আমি অসমীয়া যে কওঁ নাই বুলিবই পাৰি, গিলাসটোত পানী নাই বুলিবই পাৰি, তেতিয়া আমি কি ইউজ কৰিম? তেতিয়া আমি লিটল ইউজ কৰিম. আৰু a little মানে a little means a small portion. I am writing here a small portion. That is, মই অসমীয়াটো লিখি দিছো আৰু কিছুমানৰ প্ৰব্লেম হয় বুলি কৈছিলা. অলপ ইয়াত নাই বুলিবই পাৰি. a little আৰু a few দুইটাই কি হৈছে? স্মল পৰ্চন, অলপ. আৰু the few আৰু the little কি বুজায়? all বুজায়. all মানে ইয়াত লিখিছো যিমান আছে সিমান. all that it helps. That is যিমান আছে সকলো. But there is a little difference between few and little. So আমি মিনিং ওয়াইজ তো একেটাই বুজাই যে few আৰু little দুইটাই নাই বুলি কৈ পাৰি, নাথিং বুজায়. আৰু few আৰু a little কি বুজায়? a small portion বুজায়. যেতিয়া আমি কম অলপ পানী দিয়া, তেতিয়া আমি কি কম? give me a little water. আৰু যদি মই কওঁ যদি অলপ পইচা দিয়া, give me a few money. আৰু the few আৰু the little বুজায় যিমান আছে সিমান. মানে give me the little milk that is in the cup. যে কাপটোত যিমান আছে সেই গোটেইখিনি গাখীৰ মোক দিয়া. give me the little milk that is in the cup. So দুইটাৰটো মিনিং গিটা কি? Now what is the difference between two of them? তেতিয়া the difference to কি few আৰু little মাজত? So difference to whole, few stands for countable noun and little stands for uncountable noun. So if I am using water, milk or any of the abstract noun like advice or like happiness, that things we cannot count, right? So in these things we will use little, and things we can count like money, books, bags, these things we can count. So in these things we will use few. So here I am writing some exercises. So in the first sentence it is written give me dash milk. So milk is uncountable, that is why we will put little. So here the person is asking for a little milk. Muk olop gakhir diya, that is why we are writing little. Now in the same sentence, it is almost same from here to here. It is almost same. Like, give me this milk that is in the cup. কৈছে milk that is in the cup. ইয়াত খালি কৈ দিছে যে কাপটোত থকা. এতিয়ালে কাপটোত থকা গোটেইখিনি গাখীৰ লাগিব. এতিয়ালে আমি কি দিম ইয়াত? The little. Give me the little milk that is in the cup. কাপটোত থকা যিমানখিনি গাখীৰ আছে গোটেইখিনি মোক দিয়া. তাৰপিছত আছে many people were invited but only this came. Now from the many people we will guess that this is we know that this is a countable noun. So many people were invited but only বহুত মানুহক মতা হল কিন্তু অলপহে আহিলে a few came. Many people is countable noun, that is why we are using few instead of little. The last sentence I've written, I have this time to spare as I'm busy. So the person is busy. So busy person has little time to spare. যদি মানুহজন বিজি থাকে কি হল তোমাৰ টাইমটো স্পেয়াৰ কৰিবলৈ নাথাকিবই, টাইমটো মানে ইনে অদৰকাৰীত কি কৰি হেৰি কৰিবলৈ নাথাকিবই। তো তেতিয়া তুমি কি ইউজ কৰিবা? লিটল। তাৰমানে তেওঁ টাইম নাই বুলি ক'ব পাৰে, সেইটো কাৰণে তেওঁ কাৰণ তেওঁ বহুত বিজি আছে। কৈছে যে I have little time to spare as I am busy. Now let's see the use of some and any. So some and any are used in both countable noun and uncountable noun. So what is the difference between them then? So while using some and any, we have to pay attention in the structure of the sentence. So according to structure, we have 5 types of sentence. You know already, that is affirmative sentence, then interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence, imperative sentence, and optative sentence. And also we have positive and negative as well. So in the affirmative sentences, we use some like if there is if I'm writing I have buy
Sorry, it's bought.
this
I have written
storybooks,
by
then
mistake.
I will use some. I have buy some storybooks. Then I'm using writing another example, that is there this orange left in the basket? So this is an interrogative sentence, that is why I am using any. Is there any orange left in the basket? Then in the next sentence it is written, I did not see this man there. So this is from did not, we get to know that this is a negative sentence. Then that is why we are using any in the blank. So I did not see any man there. So আমি গম পালো, এবাৰ মই অসমীয়াত কৈ দিছো। সো আমি গম পালো যে সাম আৰু এনি দুইটাৰ মিনিংটো সিমিলাৰ আৰু দুইটাই কাউন্টেবল আৰু আনকাউন্টেবল দুইটা নাউনতে ব্যৱহাৰ হয়। কিন্তু যেতিয়া আমি সাম আৰু এনি আমাক মানে অপশন দিব, ইন স্ল্যাশত দিব সাম আৰু এনি ইউজ কৰিবলৈ, তেতিয়া আমি কোনটো পুট কৰিম সেইটো চাবলৈ হলে আমি সেন্টেন্সৰ স্ট্ৰাকচাৰটোৰ ওপৰত মন দিব লাগিব। যদি সেন্টেন্সটো এফাৰ্মেটিভ, ডেসক্ৰিপটিভ বা পজিটিভ টাইপৰ হয়, তেতিয়া হলে আমি তাত সাম ইউজ কৰিম। আৰু যেতিয়া ইন্টাৰোগেটিভ আৰু নেগেটিভ হয়, যদি ইয়াত কুৱেশ্যন থকা সেন্টেন্স হয়, নহলে যদি ইয়াত ডিড নট, নেভাৰ, নান এনেকুৱা যিকোনো টাইপৰ নেগেটিভ ৱৰ্ড ইউজ থাকে, তেতিয়াহলে আমি এনি ইউজ কৰিম। নাও we have much and many. So much we use in uncountable noun to describe or to show quantity. Quantity means poriman. And many we use in countable noun to show number. So if I am telling you that I have these books, that I will use many, like I have many books. But when it comes to any uncountable like countable noun like advice or water, any uncountable noun, in that blanks I will use much. So for example, so I have already written some exercise. So here, how these students are there in the class. So we have to keep in mind that subject or the thing that we are that is using here is uncountable noun. That is why we are using many. How many students are there in the class? In the next sentence, there is this milk in the jar. Now this is talking about milk. So milk is an uncountable noun. That is why we are putting much. How there is much milk in the jar. In another sentence, he has given me this advice. So advice, happiness, help, these things we cannot count, right? So these things also, these abstract nouns also came into the inclusive of uncountable noun. That is where we are going to put much. So we will use much in uncountable noun and many in countable noun. So in today's class we have came to know three types of determiners. I think, let me review. Okay, first we came to know the types of determiners, that is definite and indefinite. Then we see the exercises of few, a few, the few, and little, a little, the little. Then we see the exercises of some and any. Then now we are doing exercise of much and many. So these things, I hope this is clear. So this much for today's video. So we will discuss if any doubt regarding this portion. So মই অসমীয়াটো মাজে মাজে ক'বলৈ ট্ৰাই কৰিছো কাৰণ বহুতে ক'লা যে ইভেন ফোন কৰিও কিছুমানে কৈছে পাৰ্সোনালি মেছেজ কৰি কৈছে যে মেম ইংলিছত অকমান টান মানে হেৰি হয় অসমীয়াত বুজাই দিলে অকমান ভাল পোৱা সো সেইটো কাৰণে মই ট্ৰাই কৰিছো অসমীয়াও ক'বলৈ ইংলিশো ট্ৰাই কৰিছো কাৰণ আমাৰ এনেকুৱা ষ্টুডেন্টস আছে যোনবোৰ অসমীয়াও নুবুজে সো keep in mind both types of students. I'm trying to be bilingual while giving my introduction or giving my lessons. So this is it. Aru determinants aru to bahut ase tomaloke janai, so practice koriba iburu. To eto video sai ikhini determinants practice koribole try koriba aru next class ot koba jodi kisuman determiner loi tomalokor doubts ase.